Hey guys, this video is on my Dream On Me 3-in-1 portable crib. So I ordered this for vacations and stuff for my son. He's now 3 years old and he's just about grown out of it. So I would say from infant to age 3, it's perfect for, as long as your child's still in a crib and doesn't try to crawl out of it. So this is super easy to put together. It's made well. I got the white, but it comes in espresso and black as well. I think a few other colors too. It has 3 adjustable mattress heights. So of course, when your baby starts sitting up and stuff, you want to lower it. Mine's as low as it can go right now. But very easy to fold and put together. It's on wheels, which is excellent. So you can kind of move it around to where you'd like. This is like the folding part, so you guys could see. Nice and spacious. Plenty of room for a blanket and stuffed animals too that my son likes to sleep with. Just want to show you guys all the sides. It's definitely made well and super convenient. So even if you usually hotels will have a crib or something like that, but if you're going to like a family member's house or a sleepover and they don't have anything for kids and they don't have a crib, this is absolutely perfect. I use this for many Airbnb and family trips and it's just perfect. And honestly, it's really made well. So you could even use this in place of a pack and play if you wanted to, because it does have plenty of space in it. So this is definitely a must-have if you guys have kids, infant to 3 years old. Nice convertible crib, and I highly recommend.